Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your IT man. Children, hope you all are fine and safe. Today, let's start our third chapter, that is Advanced Features of Excel. So, we have learned different features of Excel through our last chapter, isn't it? Do you remember? Okay, good. So, through this chapter, we are going to learn more about charts and its different types. Okay, so today we will discuss more about different chart types and different components of chart. So, what is a chart? Chart is an effective way to represent data in a pictorial form. In mathematics, we have already learned different ways of interpreting data. Isn't it? Do you remember? In our lower classes, we have learned different ways like pictograph, bar graph. These all are different ways of representing data. Like that, chart, it is also used for representing different data that we entered in an Excel sheet or a worksheet. Okay, so different types of charts are there like column chart, pie chart, donut chart, bar chart, like that. And we also want to study different components of a chart. And what it is used for? Yes, it is mainly used for comparisons. Or also we can measure the growth and trends of different values that we entered inside a table or in a worksheet. For example, we can take the case of our mark list. If we want to compare the marks of different students, we can use this chart. Okay, so let's discuss more about it. Children, here you can see a chart. It is a column chart. And let's see the different components of a chart. So the first one is chart area. So the chart area, it includes all objects and elements in a chart. Okay. And the next one is category axis and value axis. So category axis or x-axis, it is the horizontal axis of a chart. Okay, so here you can see the names of the students. Okay, so that is the axis title or headings given to the x-axis. And value axis or y-axis, it is the vertical axis used to plot the values. Okay, so here in the value axis or y-axis, here you can see a title or axis title or heading given to y-axis. So why we are giving these titles? Because it helps us to understand what is being depicted on the axis. So here you can see on the axis at x-axis names of the students and on y-axis this is the marks of the students. Okay. Children, the value axis, it contains the values. So here you can see certain marks of students. These are the values. Okay, so value axis contains values. And that's about the category axis and value axis. And the next is data series. It is a related set of data values. So when you click on one column just like this, here you can see it will show all the data related to that column. So here you can see the name and mark, that is the value is also given of Kabir. Okay, so that is the data series. It is a related set of data values. And axis title, we have already discussed which are the headings given to both x-axis and y-axis. Okay. And the next is plot area. So what is the difference between chart area and plot area? Chart area includes all the objects and elements in a chart, whereas plot area, it is a window within a chart area. Okay, plot area means it is a window inside a chart area and it contains the actual chart and plotted data, data series, category and value axis. Okay, so plot area, it is a window that is placed inside a chart area. Okay, so that is the main difference between chart area and plot area. And the next is legend. It depicts the colors, patterns and symbols assigned to a data series. So here you can see certain names are given, isn't it, in different colors. So that color represent that name. Okay, so different colors are there which are designed or which are assigned to different data series. Okay, like this. So that is the legend. And chart title, it is the title itself. It describes the aim and contents of the chart. Okay, and grid lines, that can be either horizontal or vertical lines, and it depends upon the selected chart type. So here I have selected a column chart. So here you can see vertical lines, isn't it? Yes, and it extends across the plot area of the chart, mainly used to read and understand the values. Okay, so these are the main components of a chart. Now let's see which are the commonly used chart types. Okay, so the first one is column chart. So it displays data in the form of vertical bars. Here you can see. And it's used to show changes in data over a period of time or comparisons. Okay. And the next is bar chart. It displays data in the form of long rectangular rods. Okay, just like this. That rods are also called bars. Okay. And it is used to illustrate comparisons among the individual items. And the next is line chart. So here you can see a chart in the form of lines. So that is a line chart. Just similar like plotting a graph on a graph paper. Okay, so that's about line chart. It is used to display trends in data over a period of time. Okay, and the fourth one is pie chart. It is a circular chart divided into sectors. Here you can see a pie chart, and each sector shows the relative size of each value. Children, the thing is that it shows only one data series. That means if you want to represent the marks of more than one subject, it won't be possible using this pie chart. It can only show the marks of only one subject. So that's it. Okay, so it shows only one data series. And the next is donut chart. It shows the relationship of parts to a whole. So it is used to represent, or it is used to show different, means multiple data series. Okay, it displays data in the form of rings, where each ring represents a data series added into the chart. Which means if you want to show or represent the marks of more than one subject, we can use this donut chart to represent those marks. Okay, marks of different subjects. Children, so these are the different types of chart which are commonly used in Excel. And I hope it's clear to you, isn't it? So read your textbook thoroughly, write the notes and learn it properly. Okay, so we will see in our next class with some new topics. Till then, take care. Bye.